A quick recap. It is Friday the 13th, May. Just at the multiplex here in Yellowknife. This is where evacuees are to come and register and even hang out and call it a temporary home if they wish. I got family here, so that's where I'm staying. But I am coming here to get food and hang out and walk the dog. My immediate plan is to, well, I got my vehicle service, which is good because I don't know if it was really up to the task of driving here, but I did it anyway. And then now I'm just going to go and try to get some better shoes because all I have is these. This is what I'm rocking for footwear. And yeah, I'm gonna go get some new new kicks. That's the plan. Currently at the gymnasium here. We got a guy doing balloons. That's pretty sick. And yeah, just hanging out here. Also got new kicks. That's the sound of business. It is May 15th, 9:16 in the morning, and me and Duke are just hanging out in the backyard. He's starting to feel a little bit more normal, and it's kind of cool actually being in a gated backyard. We don't have that back at home. Still just playing it by ear, seeing what's what today, and just kind of waiting. Facebook is just filled with photos of what's happening back over in Hay River, and honestly, I think I'm happy I'm not there because it seems like a lot of work. Because a lot of volunteering happening. So if I was in Hay River, I'd probably be cleaning roads right now. I always kind of wondered how they figured out that dogs were colorblind, but the fact that he can't find this makes it kind of obvious. Oh, finally! Oh, always have to turn off the music when I'm recording, sorry. So it is Sunday, May 15th, and we've been told at 6 o'clock that people are returning now to Hay River. That's cool. Probably hang out here for the night, see if we can get a couple more resources done here so don't have to do that in the morning. Ahoy! It is May 16th, Monday. I'm in the Discovery Inn lobby. I've been in here for liminal space hunting and just had some food at the Red Apple restaurant. Love that place. And now we're gonna get ready to go and drive back to the north, or Hay River, which is south of here. It seems weird saying, yeah, we're gonna go back to Hay River, south of here. This highway, I tell ya. you have to travel on a gravel highway from time to time. Oh, right. Finally back in good old Hay Riviera. Let's take a look at some ice here. Holy. Quite a bit different. The important thing is that everyone in this town was safe. Everything can be rebuilt. Oh, right. It is... What time are we at? May 16th, 8:30. Let's take a quick gander at some ice here. It looks a bit different than the last time we looked down over here.
You see the grass here? You can tell that the water came right up here. The water came up really close to the boxes.
Yeah, this is ridiculous, everybody. My platform's even further up now.
Look at the steps.
Hey, that chair looks like it's actually okay. That's hilarious. The steps are kind of moved. I might be able to salvage the steps, but yeah, the forestry is different around here now. Even on the other side, all the trees just look wrecked. The night the ice was coming in, all I could hear in the distance was just trees cracking all over this river. It was very ominous. It didn't sound natural. Okay, well, got some unpacking to do and start to enjoy, yeah, being back home. Doesn't look like we have to worry about, well, we don't have to worry about flooding, so.
Did you look downstairs?
No, I didn't actually. And downstairs looks dry. That's from earlier. I think I'm going to conclude for now. Follow me on all of these things. Check out this video, and we'll see you in the next exciting adventures here in the north. Bye for now.